Hi, everybody. Quint Lear's newhomesales.com. I've got the big gorilla in the house. We've got Zillow Group, Braxton, Norwood. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, absolutely.
So, look, everybody knows about Zillow. Everybody's talking about Zillow. You know, there's people super excited. There's people scared. What are you doing right now? We're at the International Builder Show. What are you doing right now that's big with the Zillow Group?
So right now, we're actually partnering with home builders. That's the biggest thing for us, right? So in the past, it's been huge for the real estate agents to partner with us in getting resale listings, and that's how they're going to be selling. But now we're partnering with home builders and helping them list it could be floor plans, it could be spec homes, really anything that's new construction. So it's great.
So you've got you're dominating in the resale market. You've created a great resource for regular buyers to get on and search. You've done an amazing job at that. And now you're moving into the new construction business. What's the aim? What's the final end?
We're just trying to get exposure for new construction. That's really it. Because right now, if you don't have a lot of inventory, it's hard to advertise really anywhere. A lot of builders and a lot of people will advertise on Facebook and Google. People aren't buying houses on Facebook. They don't go to Facebook to buy a house. They go to Zillow, right? We have 168 million people per month visiting our site looking for houses. So if we can get you exposure, if we can get your brand out there, then we're going to help you out a lot.
Now, Braxton, look, I mean, you've got some big competition. Trulia's, out there.
Well, we're partnered with Trulia. We're partnered with them.
Wait, you guys own Trulia? I'm just kidding, man. I'm just messing. So you guys, they have Trulia. They're taking Now, look, there's a lot of people, I'm in the real estate realm, and I hear the people say, like, God, we're scared. Trulia's. Tell me with the real estate, the National Association of Real Estate Realtors, how are you partnering, supporting, going against? What is the mission with there?
So, for Zillow, we don't, not to sound conceited or cocky, we don't have a lot of competition, right? So we have 168 million people visiting Zillow, Trulia, and we own a couple different companies out there. And I think why people visit our site is just because we make it an awesome consumer experience, right? We make it extremely easy. It's efficient, it's effective, the information is going to be accurate, and so that's why people trust us. I don't know if that answers your question, but
it seems to me like you're supporting the real estate agents, or
absolutely. For helping real estate agents, that's kind of why we're around. As a real estate agent, the biggest thing for them, I guess, is just getting their name out there. And we do a great job of doing that. People can't buy from you if they don't know who you are, so we're going to get you out there and make sure that a lot of agents can make a lot of money.
Tell me about the reviews, because people get on and rate people like I would a product. Tell me about how that's been received, if it's positive, or what's the word on that?
Yeah, so there's always going to be a mixture of emotion when it comes to reviews and that sort of thing. But especially in real estate, if you're a real estate agent, your reputation is everything. It's going to be, that's what people look at, and especially nowadays with Amazon, people look at the reviews, they look at the stars. So I think that's critical to have a good review, especially on the #1 real estate site like Zillow.
Now, a lot of people don't know this, but Zillow Group actually owns newhomes.com. Are you guys going to do anything with that?
Yeah, I think eventually we will. I think right now it's really focused around, it's realestate.com.
You own that too.
We own all the big guys out there, and I think what we're just trying to do is hit all the different types of markets, right? So right now at Zillow, we can do new construction. We have realestate.com that's going to be targeting a lot of the millennials. We just purchased new home feed, and so all of these are kind of coming together just to make an awesome consumer experience, and that's really our overall goal. So
that was the latest acquisition. Tell me about the acquisition of New Home Feed.
Yeah, so New Home Feed is just the site that we use for new construction in order to upload all the content for like the listings, right, for just new homes. Because when people submit through the MLS for new construction, because it's a brand new house, we may not know where to map it, and there could be a few things that come up that could create some difficulties. But with New Home Feed, we make sure it's going to be extremely accurate, it's going to be efficient, because that's what builders want, right? They want to make sure their homes are going to show up in the right location, and that's what New Home Feed really does.
So I wanted to buy newhomes.com, and then I found out you guys don't, and I'm like, you guys don't want to sell it to me, do you?
I have no idea. I'm not the guy to talk to about that.
I'm just kidding. You're not going to. I already know it. So tell me about this show. How has it been being here at the International Builder Show? Are you educating the builders? How has been your response with your new builder product?
Yeah, it's been amazing. So with the builder product, it's relatively new. So a lot of the builders are walking by not really having any idea that we even have something for builders. So that's why it's been so great to be here and have that face-to-face connection where we can actually say, hey, look, we can partner with you guys now. We're trying to help you out. We're not going to take away business from you. We just want to give you more business.
I'm always impressed with your team. You know, always very sharply dressed, very articulate, well-educated. What does Zillow mean? I mean, I looked up in the dictionary, didn't say anything. Let's let our audience know, what does Zillow mean?
I mean, Zillow to begin with is a zillion pillows, so the name itself is, you know, a little strange. But what we're just trying to do, and what it means to me, is it's just the #1 real estate site making lives a lot easier when it comes to searching and buying homes. That's what we want to do for builders, for agents, for the consumer. If we can provide an awesome experience, because I actually just bought a house and it's nerve-wracking. You know, you're going to drop a lot of money on that, you know, initial investment, and it's going to be the biggest investment most people will ever make. So if we can make that a lot easier of a process, then we're going to succeed.
Well, I know I represent a builder in the Southwest, and they've actually partnered with you guys. We're getting a ton of leads. I'll tell you what I appreciate about it is some of the new construction communities in the past were not listed, you know, in even Google Maps, and so you're capturing the traffic. You're doing a great job. Any last shout-outs, people from the show, and experiences that you want to share?
I mean, just shout out to all the builders that came by our booth. You know, we're here to help them, and you know, I hope that down the road we can continue to grow and create more products and services for not only builders, for consumers. I know eventually we're going to get into virtual reality stuff, so we'll see what happens there. But exciting stuff to come.
Like them, love them, hate them. You're doing a great job, and it's high quality product, great leads. Appreciate what you're doing. Thanks for being on the program and giving us some good content for us to share with our audience.
Love it. Thank you.
My pleasure.